Okay, so hi, my name is Daniela, and I did my presentation for Spark internship at Newton Wellesley Hospital. I was able to experience a few different departments, including a day in the psych ward. So why I chose Newton Wellesley Hospital. I chose to internship at Newton Wellesley Hospital because of my strong interest in the field of nursing. I also wanted to take advantage of the opportunity to have firsthand experience of what it's like working in a hospital while fulfilling my passion for helping others. Where I worked. The three different departments that I had the opportunity to work within were the preoperative department as a surgical escort, the post-operation department in the recovery unit, and the gastroenterology clinic assisting the technicians. While working in the preoperative department, I would escort patients and their family members into the preoperation rooms where they would later meet with various doctors and then be prepped for surgery. At times, I assisted with admissions paperwork and patient check-in. In the post-operative department, I assisted the nurses with menial tasks like bringing patients juice and crackers or even a warm blanket, while still getting a visual experience of the proper way to take care of patients. The last department I had the opportunity to work in was the gastroenterology department. This was an outpatient clinic for colonoscopies. In this department, I assisted various technicians with room and bed sanitization along with patient escort. What I learned. At times, the jobs I performed were tedious, but the reward I gained from helping my community made it worthwhile. One rewarding experience that has left an everlasting impression on me is when I was escorting an elderly patient out of the hospital after her procedure. She turned to me and smiled and asked my name and if I was a nurse. I told her I'm just a volunteer, but my future goal is to become a nurse. She mentioned that she had seen me earlier helping another patient when she noticed my kind and caring manner. She told me how comforting it made her feel, knowing there were such young, caring people in the world. When we approached her car, she turned and said to me, "Daniela, with your beautiful smile and your patience for people, you will be a wonderful nurse." One experience that I was able to shadow a nurse in the psych ward. Due to patient confidentiality, I cannot disclose many of the situations I have experienced. The psych ward at Newton Wellesley Hospital is a locked ward with two wings, the East Wing and the West Wing. The East Wing is for patients who suffer from various long-term mental illnesses, from bipolar disorder to schizophrenia. The West Wing patients are cared for suffering from dementia and depression. Another learning experience that I was able to receive while shadowing a nurse in the psych ward at Newton Wellesley Hospital was the living conditions that these patients lived in. The unit was dark and the bedrooms were bare and only consisted of a bed, a dresser, a chair. There were no plug outlets in the walls and any electronics were used under supervision. Patients were free to roam anywhere, but were only allowed outside once during the day and confined to a boxed-in area. There was a nurse who recorded where the patients were every 15 minutes, where they were, and what they were doing during that interval of time. So, my internship at Newton Wellesley Hospital has helped me solidify my decision to go to school at Regis for nursing. This summer I will be taking a course through the Red Cross certifying me as a nursing assistant, providing me the ability to work while in college, making money while studying nursing. So I encourage anyone who has the opportunity to do a Spark internship to do so because it's a very rewarding experience. And that's it.